Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change the amount of coffee that comes out of your Lungo Sublime Compact. It's actually called personalization, so you can change it to how you want it and it will save the setting. So you can do this on small pods, big pods, and the 3 different sizes as well. To make it easy in this video, I'm just going to be doing it on the Lungo one, but you can do it on the Espresso one if you wish. The same process applies. Now, I'm not going to waste pods for the video, so in this one it's going to be the same as a small pod, because when there's no pods in here, it's the same as a small pod. So in this video you're just going to see water come out, but again it's the same thing. Coffee, water, same thing. So if, for example, we put this here and we hit the Lungo button, which is this one here, to begin with you will see a set amount will come out. In this particular one it will be just under the rim, but I'm going to change that so that we have it maybe halfway on this cup here, so you can personalize it to your taste. It's just heating up at the moment, so it will take a while to come through. So remember, this is just a standard setting now, and I'll show you how to personalize it once this is done. I just want to show you how much liquid is coming out. So there you go, you can see that's the standard Lungo and it's just below the top level there. We're going to do it where it's maybe just above the coffee beans here. So let's just leave that to one side. Now to change that, all we have to do is come up to the button here, and instead of tapping it, we need to hold it down for 4 seconds, and you will see it will start flashing, and it will work on any button, but remember we're doing this one purely for this video. So hold that down there, keep holding it, keep holding it, keep holding it. Now it's flashing. Now we can let go. It's still flashing, and we're going to hit the button again when we want to stop the amount. Remember, you can put through more. So I'm going to hit the button now, and you can see now that that's a lot less than this one here. You can see how much less it is. Now to show you that it's going to remember that, we'll leave this one here. We're going to empty out this one. And watch this now. Every single time, even if we turn the machine off and back on again, it's going to come out with the same amount of water. Just going to top up the water in the back a little bit. So now if we press this here, you will see without me messing around with the settings, it should come out the same as this one. There we go. So you can see now that they're the same. So that's it. That's how to adjust the amount, but you have to do it within the limits. So if you have a look at this little chart up on screen now, you can see on the Lungo one, the standard one would be 110 millilitres. The minimum we can have is 50 millilitres, and the most we can have is 150 millilitres. So you can't choose to have 400 millilitres come through. It's only within this here. But you have quite a bit of range there between 50 millilitres and 150 millilitres to get the coffee just how you like it. So there we go. If you're wondering how to reset it back to factory settings, let's say you've been messing around with them and you're like, oh no, I just want it back to how it was. If you come up here, I'll show you how to do it. We have 3 buttons. You need to press them all at the same time until the lights come on. So press them, oh, did that wrong, so do that again. Hold them down. Can you see the lights have come on? Wait until they start flashing, and that's it. Let go. Now your machine will be back to factory settings, and if we were to put the Lungo one in again now, it would be up to the top just like before. And I'll just quickly show you that, just fast forward through that so the video is not too long. There we go. So hopefully you understand about the personalization settings now, and it will make more sense. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.